Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to paint this awesome 3D printed model of Poison Ivy, sponsored by ZEZ Studios. All model parts are already primed, so we're ready to go. For the first skin layer, I'll be using camouflage green and olive drab. Next, for the second layer, I'll apply Rosa Marron and basic skin tone, keeping the same approach for the face. Finally, for the third and final skin layer, I'll use Sunny Skin Tone for highlights. A quick tip: stick to a maximum of 3 colors for skin tones to keep it looking natural. Now let's move on to Ivy's suit. Since the shape is quite tricky, I'll skip the airbrush and go with my trusty brush instead. I'll start with Emerald Forest as the base color, applying it to the leaves as well. Black wash. To highlight certain areas, I'll use rainforest and leafy green. And to add depth, I'll finish it off with a classic black wash. For her hair, I'll use scarlet blood and create a smooth transition from light to dark for a natural effect. There are also leaves in her hair, so I'll apply rainforest to blend them in seamlessly. Now it's time for some face detailing. I'll take my time refining the features before moving on to the base. For the stones, I'll use gray cold, while the wood and plants will get a coat of olive drab. To highlight some areas, I'll add electric lime, and for the big flower, I'll use scarlet blood. Next, I'll add depth to the flower with evil red and move on to the biggest piece of the miniature, the large wooden structure. I'll paint it with olive drab and apply black wash for added depth. And now, it's time to see the final result. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.